Did you know that the United States is currently facing one of the biggest automotive labor shortages in history? According to the TechForce Foundation, the U.S. auto industry will need more than 750,000 new technicians by 2027 just to keep up with demand. At the same time, America has more vehicles on the road than ever before. Data from the Bureau of Transportation Statistics shows that there are now over 284 million registered vehicles in the United States. That means millions of cars, trucks, and SUVs constantly need maintenance, diagnostics, and repairs. However, repair shops across the country report that finding skilled technicians has become extremely difficult. In fact, many garages report waiting months to fill even a single technician position. This shortage is already causing longer repair times, higher service costs, and overloaded mechanics across the country. But why are fewer people choosing this career, even though modern vehicles are more complex than ever? In this video, we are going to break down the real reasons behind the severe shortage of automotive technicians in the United States. And some of these reasons might surprise you. Reason number 1: educational pipeline failure. One of the biggest reasons behind the technician shortage is what experts call a collapse in the educational pipeline that once trained future mechanics. Decades ago, American high schools widely offered vocational shop classes where students could learn automotive repair, welding, and mechanical diagnostics. However, over the past 30 years, many of these programs have disappeared as schools shifted their focus toward traditional college preparation. According to studies supported by the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, the U.S. automotive service industry needs around 76,000 new technicians every year. Yet training programs are producing barely half that number. This massive gap means the workforce shortage keeps expanding annually. Another major issue is perception. Many guidance counselors still portray automotive careers as low-skill or backup jobs instead of highly technical professions. In reality, modern vehicles are filled with advanced electronics, sensors, computer networks, and complex diagnostics systems. Working on a modern hybrid or electric vehicle often requires knowledge of software, high-voltage systems, and advanced troubleshooting tools. But because students rarely see this modern side of the profession, fewer young people choose automotive technician training as a career path. Reason number 2: the fatigue of the flat-rate pay system. Another major reason technicians are leaving the industry is the compensation system used in many American repair shops. Unlike most professions that pay hourly wages or salaries, many automotive technicians are paid using something called the flat rate system. Under this model, mechanics are paid based on how many labor hours they complete rather than the actual time spent working. For example, if a repair manual says a brake job should take 2 hours, the technician only gets paid for 2 hours, even if the job takes 3 or 4 hours because of rusted parts or unexpected complications. According to wage data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median annual wage for automotive technicians in the U.S. is roughly $47,000 to $50,000, which is lower than many other technical trades requiring similar training. This pay structure creates huge income instability because slow shop traffic can drastically reduce earnings. Therefore, many skilled technicians are leaving the industry for careers in manufacturing, aviation maintenance, or heavy equipment repair, where they receive stable hourly wages and better benefits. As a result, the industry is losing experienced professionals faster than it can replace them.
Reason number 3: the financial barriers. Imagine landing a new job at a software company, but before you can start on day 1, you are required to purchase your own $10,000 server and specialty coding software. That sounds absolutely preposterous to most professionals, but that is the precise reality for nearly every entry-level automotive technician in the country. The financial burden placed on technicians is unique and oppressive. They are responsible for investing in their own rolling inventory of hand tools, diagnostic equipment, and specialty wrenches. A basic professional tool set for a new technician can easily cost $20,000 to $30,000, while advanced diagnostic scanners and specialty equipment can push that number even higher. According to industry estimates from the Automotive Service Association, experienced technicians may own over $50,000 worth of personal tools during their careers. When they compare this with other technical careers that provide equipment and better salaries, many decide to pursue different professions instead. Reason number 4: The technology leap. The primary tool in a 21st century repair bay is no longer a wrench, it's a laptop. Cars are not just mechanical machines anymore. They have evolved into highly complex, interconnected computers on wheels, containing dozens of microprocessors and running millions of lines of proprietary code. We have seen a rapid, almost vertical shift from diagnosing carburetors and simple electrical loops to troubleshooting advanced driver assistance systems, complex LiDAR sensors, and massive 800-volt EV battery powertrains. A technician today must operate at the junction of an electrician, an IT specialist, and a traditional mechanical engineer simultaneously. Many veteran technicians, who are masters of internal combustion engines, are opting for early retirement rather than relearning the entire industry from scratch for the EV era. This brain drain of institutional knowledge, combined with a vertical learning curve for new hires, is paralyzing the service sector's ability to adapt. Reason number 5: aging workforce and retirements. The automotive industry is currently staring down a demographic retirement cliff that threatens to hollow out the nation's repair infrastructure. Many experienced technicians who entered the industry in the 1980s and 1990s are now approaching retirement age. These veteran mechanics have decades of experience diagnosing complex mechanical problems, but many of them are leaving the workforce without enough younger technicians ready to replace them. Recent data from the TechForce Foundation and industry reports indicate that nearly 49% of all automotive technicians are currently age 40 or older. As these workers retire, repair shops lose not only manpower, but also valuable knowledge and mentorship that younger technicians rely on to develop their skills. At the same time, the number of vehicles on American roads continues to increase. The United States currently has over 280 million registered vehicles, which means the demand for repair and maintenance services keeps growing every year. When experienced technicians retire faster than new ones enter the field, the shortage becomes even more severe. Reason number 6: the diversity void. One of the most significant, yet often overlooked reasons for the technician shortage is the industry's historical failure to attract and retain a diverse workforce, which effectively cutting off more than half of the potential talent pool. Statistics from Zippia and the TechForce Foundation reveal a staggering gender imbalance, with women making up only about 4.9% of the automotive technician workforce, despite being a major segment of the car-buying and service-seeking public. Furthermore, representation for people of color and underrepresented communities continues to lag behind other technical sectors, creating a cultural barrier that can make service bays feel unwelcoming to new demographics. This lack of diversity is not just a social issue, it's a massive economic bottleneck that prevents the industry from tapping into a reservoir of brilliant, detail-oriented problem solvers who are instead choosing careers in tech, healthcare, or other trades. For the automotive sector to survive, it must undergo a radical cultural shift to prove that the modern shop is a professional, inclusive environment where the only thing that matters is the quality of your work and your ability to master complex systems. Reason number 7: physical demands and injury rates. Despite the move toward digital diagnostics, the physical reality of automotive repair remains one of the most grueling and demanding daily grinds in the American labor market. Automotive technicians often spend long hours standing, bending, lifting heavy components, and working in tight spaces under vehicles. Over time, this constant physical strain can lead to injuries involving the back, knees, and shoulders. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, automotive service technicians and mechanics have one of the highest rates of work-related injuries and illnesses of all occupations. In addition to physical labor, technicians frequently work in hot workshops during summer months and cold environments during winter, especially in regions without climate-controlled garages. The work environment can also involve exposure to chemicals, oils, and exhaust fumes if proper ventilation is not available. For younger workers comparing career options, physically demanding jobs with modest pay are often less appealing than technical careers in fields such as information technology, engineering, or renewable energy. As a result, many potential workers choose professions that offer more comfortable working conditions. Reason number 9: competition from other technical industries. Finally, One of the simplest reasons for the technician shortage is the increasing competition from other technical industries that offer better pay and working conditions. Workers with mechanical and electrical skills are highly valuable in many fields. These industries often offer higher starting salaries, stable hourly wages, and better benefits compared to automotive repair jobs. According to employment statistics from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, many technical occupations in fields like industrial maintenance and power generation pay significantly higher average salaries than automotive technician positions. Because modern vehicles require similar technical knowledge involving electronics, diagnostics, and computer systems, many skilled workers choose to apply their abilities in these higher-paying industries instead. As a result, the automotive repair sector is competing for talent with industries that can often offer better compensation packages and long-term career stability. Before we finish, here is the uncomfortable truth about the technician shortage in America. The shortage of automotive technicians in the United States is not caused by a single issue. It is the result of multiple challenges happening simultaneously. The automotive industry cannot survive without skilled technicians. But unless the industry starts valuing technicians with better pay, stronger training programs, and real career opportunities, the shortage will only grow worse in the years ahead. So tell me in the comments, would you consider becoming an automotive technician in the future? See you in the next video.